Amidst a technological revolution, deep learning emerges as both a beacon of innovation and a labyrinth of challenges. i.e., University's multimedia tutorial on deep learning will prepare students to evaluate this emerging technology. Students will be whisked away to the enchanted realm of deep learnia, where even the most difficult concepts are made easy to understand. On their learning journey, students will learn what deep learning is, how it works, and how it has transformed the field of machine learning. Students will also examine key issues of ethics and AI, as well as the role that big tech giants play in the deployment of deep learning. So be prepared to have your minds expanded, your curiosity ignited, and your understanding of deep learning elevated. A world of knowledge awaits you.